Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got my very first beauty subscription unboxing for November and it is Look Fantastic. This month's box has a value of £118. If you're interested in subscribing, then I do have a code. It is Diaryofabeautygeek and that will entitle you to receive your first box for £12 when you take out one of the monthly subscriptions. As always, you'll find a link to the code and to the beauty box down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, every box has a minimum value of £50 and inside contains 6 beauty items. So yeah, so let's go through it then one by one. Let's start off with, we've got a Look Fantastic toweling headband there. I've just filmed a reel for Look Fantastic for Instagram, and so I've been trying these products out. When I look back on me wearing this, it just looks odd. It just looks like I've put it on really strangely, but yeah, I've just got a bit of mind blankness. I've not long had surgery. This is my first time I'm actually filming. I've got a cushion here just to support my arms because I've had my armpits, literally my arms and my breasts uplifted and skin removed. I'm on good pain meds at the minute. I had my surgery 2 weeks ago. But yeah, it's just I'm not quite with it. I'm on a medication called gabapentin, and I think that makes me a bit like woohoo. Hopefully I can get through this video all right, because I can tell I'm already talking too much now. Okay, so we've got a headband. Then we've got a serum by Avant. This is an 8-hour antioxidizing and retexturizing hyaluronic facial serum. This is full size and there's 30 mils there. And this is worth a whopping £89. As we know, Avant's prices are really high, aren't they? Smooth as pea-size amount in gentle circular motions onto the skin in the morning and evening. I tried this out in my reel and I put too much on my skin and it left my skin feeling quite tacky, which is fine because I went to put moisturiser on top, but yeah, I definitely use a bit less next time. Then we've got a little cleanser here. This is a Cetaphil cleanser. It's an oily skin cleanser, but it's suitable for oily to combination and sensitive skins. Deeply cleans and minimises pores without stripping skin of natural moisture. And there's 29 mils there. There's that. What else we got? Oh, we got a shampoo by Olaplex. And this is a number 4 bond maintenance shampoo. Repairs, strengthens and nourishes for all hair types. And there's 20 mils there. I was hoping that we would have a little conditioner as well to go with it, because this is basically a one-use try, isn't it? It's a sample size essentially. So you can try it, see what it's like, see if your hair likes it or not, which is great. But yeah, it would have been nice if we had a conditioner to go with that. Right, on to Ritual of Ayurveda. Gorgeous smell of Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Now this is a Moisture Lock Complex whipped body cream. And there's 50 mils here. I already love the smell of this, which is gorgeous. But yeah, the cream is really nice as well. Reapplying it to my hand. This is the hand I put it on earlier. It's just so nice and it just smells so nice. My fingers, hands and face are really dry. I don't know if it's a post-surgery thing, but this is the first time I'm actually wearing makeup. And I was like, ugh, I really need a lot of moisturiser and a lot of concealer. Yeah. But oh, I just love it. It is beautiful. And then we've got Iconic London, and this is a little mini Prep Set and Blur spray, and this is worth £13, and we got 30 mils there, so it's deluxe size. Oh, it makes me, yeah, it is quite a powerful spray. It makes my eyelashes like, woo. No, it's fine actually, it's not too bad, but yeah, I do like the feel of it on my face. It feels so nice. So I apply this before makeup and then after makeup and then top up throughout the day then. And there you go. Those are all the products in this month's Look Fantastic beauty box. So we've got a headband, Prep Set and Blur facial mist, Avant hyaluronic face serum, Cetaphil gentle cleanser, Ritual of Ayurveda whipped body cream, And Olaplex number 4, Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving this box? Are you going to subscribe this month if you're not already subscribing? Or are you thinking, nah, not for me this month? All your opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.